You're going to see pretty interesting reactions in terms of mood, I think, especially when that blood sugar is going up and down quite rapidly. I think the thing that we often forget is that children are much smaller than we are, and we don't consider the impact of the size of that food and how small children are, and how, you know, just a small piece of junk food, or even like Dr. Ken Berry says, like one adult sized cupcake is like 6 for kids. And, you know, they're going to have to run that energy off somehow. And it's not going to serve them necessarily in the best way to eat hyper processed foods and then be expected to concentrate and focus and learn things and do all of that. I think that kids really thrive when they're fed healthy foods, especially when they're fed foods that really contain all the essential micronutrients that we need through prioritizing protein and healthy fats and really high quality food. It really helps children's blood sugar to stay stable, which affects their mood, and it makes their brain more open to learning, and it just enables them to grow in healthier ways from a younger age. I think people will learn just how passionate I am about keto, about testing yourself for ketosis, and about the science behind low carb and ketogenesis. I think people should really sign up for this summit, because this is one of the things that we don't talk about enough, is how to nourish our families in the best way, in the healthiest ways, and set up our families for success long-term throughout life. And it's something that we need to talk about more and not keep avoiding the topic, because it's so important to have healthy families that are going to be set up for success in life.